Hello students, welcome to Price YouTube channel. This is a scholarship exam, standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is directions. So directions means we know the directions. There are the four main directions. All are the east, west, then south and the north. Okay. So about related to the directions, this is the topic. So in this one, the directions we have to find out, and also there are the mentioning like sunrise and the sunset, and we know the sunrise is always be in our east direction, sunset is always be in a west direction. On this basis some questions are there, and on this one we have to solve this question. Or sometimes is mentioning that turning to the left side or turning to the right side, so left side, right side, even face or even back side, like this one terms also mentioning. On that basis also we have to find out the directions. Okay, so this is a very important for the solving such a questions. One should know means about the students. Okay, student must know these eight directions means four are the main. Okay, so in between these four there are the sub directions. Okay, so these are the sub directions is mentioned and the main directions are the four. Okay, so these eight directions one must be know means student must be know. Then opposite directions means opposite these ones, and the adjacent means like this one. So northwest is adjacent north and west also. Okay, like this one. Then the directions of sunrise, already we know this sunrise is from the east and the sunset is at the west. If you stand facing any directions, facing means front side. Okay, on your face. Okay, so student must know accurately and directions to his right side or on the left side. Okay, and in between this information, one more information is very important. If any example doesn't have given the exactly directions means starting directions, so in that case always be assume north in the directions means as per your books this front directions, and okay, like this make the these directions. Okay, this is by default. Okay, so this is the north, so this will be the south. Okay, this will be the west and this will be the east. Okay, like this one. So this is the by default. Okay, so always be remember this one, and on that basis solve the example and give the correct answers. So this information basically is very important. In this one sub directions are very important means between east and the south there is a sub directions is southeast. Okay, and in between west and the south there is a sub direction southwest, like that one. In between north and the east there is a northeast, and between north and the west there is a northwest. So these are the sub directions are given. Okay, so opposite also means opposite of this one is a this means northwest having the opposite means southwest. Okay, then like this one southwest having the opposite of the northeast, or we can say the vice versa means this directions opposite this one and this directions opposite also this one, like this one. Even the main also the same means north opposite is the south, east opposite the west, or vice versa. Okay, so now we are going to see the some examples. Now there is a common instruction. Four options are given for each question. Shade the correct options number circle means correct options we have to choose and we have to submit that one, or we can say the making the shading. Okay, in our OMR sheet in exam. Now question number one is there. Find the sub directions between north and the west. If you stand facing toward his directions means in these directions, which is we are calculating in between this one, which directions is at the back. Okay, so suppose now this is north, this is west and east. Okay, this is the south. Okay, now find the sub direction between north and the west. So north and the west means this is the northwest directions. Now if you are standing facing toward this direction, this means about this means this one. Okay, so means this is a northwest. Okay, now we are facing this direction. Now which directions is back means opposite of this one. Okay, means this direction. So this is a south east direction, so southeast is given in option number 1. Then question number 2, Ajay is watching sunset, then which direction is at his back? Okay, so now north west. Okay, sorry, northeast and west is here. Okay, and this is the south. So sunset means he is facing to this one, he is watching means he is facing towards the west. Okay, so which directions is at his back? Now opposite of the west means his facing back means east is there, east direction means option number 1 is the correct one. Now, question number three, Ramesh is facing east. Now, in this directions, toward the east is facing, he turns his left. Now, if he is facing this one, means he is left this one and right is this one. Okay, so right and the left. Now he turn to the left. Okay, right angle. Right angle means directly now he is facing to the north. Okay, now he is facing to the north. 90-degree means this one. Okay, always we all the directions are 90-degree to each other. Okay, this is very important information, basic the information. Okay, now then which direction in is at his back? So he is facing now north, and his backside means opposite of the north is a south. South means option number one is the correct one. Then question number 4, Shailesh is facing towards west. So I'm again marking this is north, south, west, and the east. Okay. Then Shailesh is facing towards west. So Shailesh is facing toward west. Then which direction is to his left hand? Now he is facing toward the west means his left hand is toward the south. Okay. So south means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 5, in a clock, how many times minute hand turn toward facing east from 12 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Now, so suppose this is a clock. Okay. Now this direction means north. Now this is the east. So this is the east. This is a suppose south. This is toward the north. Okay, and this is toward the west. So means 3 o'clock is toward the east direction. Okay, now from the 12 o'clock to the 6:30 means the minute hand should be comes like this one between 7 to 6. Okay, and hour and also in between these ones. Now how many times the this minute hand is facing toward the east direction? Now after every hour means now this will comes to the 1 hour and the 15 minutes, 1 hour, then 2 hours 15 minutes, then like this one 3 hour 40 minutes. Mean every hour there is a minute hand is facing toward the this east direction. So from the 12 to the 6:30 means there are the total 6 hours, means that minute hand is facing toward the this east direction at the 6 times. So 6 times is given in option number. Question number 6, as shown in a figure. So this figure is given house and the school. So Amit went to school. Amit went to school means he's from the house, he is moving from home. Then how many times he is facing north? Now here the direction is not given, but by our by default direction is this is the north, this is the south, now this is the east. Okay, and this is the west. Then how many times he is facing to the north? Okay, so now moving from here, now here the south, here again the east. Okay, here the south, and then here the this west direction, and then here he will turn to the facing to the north, means only these directions, means one time means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 7, Salma is facing toward west. Okay, so this is west. Okay, east, south, and the north. Now Salma is facing toward the west. She turned through 45-degree to the right side. Now from this one, if she is facing to the west means her right side is toward the north side, and she turns 45-degree means in between this one. Okay, these directions means northwest direction. Which direction is she facing now? Now in between this one means northwest. Northwest means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 8, Aslesha is facing towards east. Now towards the east. Okay, Aslesha is facing toward the east. She turns to her left through right angle. Now her left is toward these directions. Okay, she is facing towards this one means her left is toward the north direction, and she is turning, or we can say turn to the right angle, means now after the turning, now she will face the north. Okay, then which directions is to her left? Means now after facing this north, her left side will be the west. So west means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 9, how many times Amol turned toward west while going from home to school? From home to school. Okay. Now in this one, the direction is given north, then here the south, here the east, and here the west. Now How many times Amol turned toward west? Okay, so this is the first time, okay, toward the west. Then after this one, second, okay, this is second, this is the first time just routing. Okay, like this one he is moving. Now this is the third, again now this is the fourth, and again now here the fifth. So total 5 times. So 5 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 10. Sanskruti is facing northwest. Northwest means, now this is the north, west, east, and this is south. Northwest, okay. She is facing to the northwest. She turned to left through 90 degrees. So to the left means these directions. Okay, now she is facing this one means this side is the left side. And now turning to the left with a 90 degree. Okay, now this is a in between this north and the west there is a 90 degree, means this is a 45 degree from the west, okay, or from the north also. So this is 45, again 45 means in between the west and the south means southwest. Okay, now the which direction she is facing? Now she is facing to the southwest. Southwest means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 11. Field is 2 kilometer away and toward east. So I'm making another one because this is a very important. Now field is a 2 kilometer away toward the east. So I will make this our regular direction. So this is north, south, east, and this is west. So field is 2 kilometer away toward the east means toward the east. This is a 2 kilometer, okay, from this place. So suppose so here the field, okay, so F I am mentioning now from the home. So this is a home, okay, I'm just making the home, okay. Field is toward the 2 kilometer, toward the east 2 kilometer. Then temple is 3 kilometer. Temple is 3 kilometer, and in the north of the field, okay, temple is 3 kilometer. Okay, now temple somewhere here toward the north, okay, from the field means these directions. Okay, this is north means these directions. So this is the 3 kilometer, and here the temple is there. Okay, so this is the now temple means T. Okay, 3 kilometer. Then north of the field, okay, then school is 2 kilometer toward west. So school, now here the toward west means this is the west direction, so means from here west direction, here's the 2 kilometer. Okay, here also the 2 kilometer means the same from the house in a same north completely exactly directions. Now here the school. Okay, so then find the distance between school and the home. Now here 2 kilometer gone, then completely north direction, and again 2 kilometer means home and the school are in a same line toward the north. Okay, and in between this distance is same like temple and the field means 3 kilometer. Okay, because these are the in parallel. Okay, here these are the in parallel and these are in a parallel, because now here 90-degree turning, here also 90-degree turning, and then we are counting this one. So these two are in 90 means this also in 90 means the as the directions are in a 90-degree means perfect. So we can say the rectangular is making. Okay, so these opposite sides are the equal. So this 3 kilometer means this is also the 3 kilometer means home and the school having the distance 3 kilometer. Okay, means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 12. As shown in a adjoining figure means a side figure, how many times one will face east while going from point, or we can say place A to B, no, from A to B. Now facing toward the east. So this is the first time. Okay, now here, now this is the north. Okay, then this is the east. Now how many times one will face east? So this is a one, then move, move, then this is second, and this is a third. So total 3 times. Okay, so 3 means option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 13. Sanjay is 10 steps away toward north from Sunil. Okay, so here I mean mention, so Sunil is here. Okay, now 10 steps, Sanjay is 10 step away toward north from Sunil. So Sunil's and then here the 10 steps, okay, steps toward the north. Okay, so who is that one? So he is a Sanjay. So here the Sanjay is okay, this is a Sanjay's position. So I just mentioned Sanjay. Then Shivaji is 5 steps away in the east from Sanjay. Okay, so from Sanjay, east means these directions. 5 steps. Okay, 5 steps. In which direction is Sunil to Shivaji? Okay, so now, so Shivaji is this direction. Okay. Which direction Sunil is from the Shivaji? So from Shivaji, now these directions from the Shivaji, this is a west from the Shivaji, this is a south, means southwest direction. So southwest means option number 4 is the correct one. So here mention which direction is Sunil to Shivaji, means from the Shivaji's position, Sunil's positions directions were to count, means Shivaji is at the center of the directions. Now here the center of the directions. Now here north and here the east. Okay, here the south and here the west. So from the Shivaji's, this Sunil's directions means southwest directions. Now question number 14. How many times Rajesh will face east while going from school to house? So facing east. So this is the north. Okay. Now this is the east. Okay. So west and south and the west. So now Ramesh will face east while going from school toward the house. So this is the first time. Then this is second time, then no, only 2 times, means option number 1 is the correct one. Now page number 15. Rekha walks 10 steps toward east. So I mention here, so this is north, south, east and the west. Rekha walks 10 steps toward east. Further she turned towards south and walk 15 minutes. Okay, so now here, so his starting point here, so 15 steps. Okay, this one to the, so this is a 15, sorry, 10 steps, sorry, this is the 10 steps. Okay, 10 steps toward the east. Okay, then further she turned towards south and walk 15 steps. So further she turned south means this direction, and steps toward the 15. So this is up to the 15 steps. Okay, coming these points after the 15 steps, and then again she walk 5 steps toward west. 5 step toward west means this direction, so this is the 5 steps. So this is the after the 5 steps position, and at the last 15 steps toward the north. Okay, at the last again 15 steps toward the north means this direction, means now 15 steps, this is equal to this one, means this point and this point equal, mean on the same this point. Okay, so 15 steps. Okay, so then how many steps he is far from the original place? Now from the original place, so this is the original place, and here the 15 steps comes, here 5 steps, so here also the 5 steps if we deduct, so 10 minus 5 means here the 5 steps are there. Okay, now 5 steps mean away from the original place, so 5 means option number 4 is the correct one. Thank you.